वेरी यूनिक कलर, बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. दिस इज नॉट वाइट, नॉट सिल्वर. हेलो, वेलकम टू Ceramic Pro Baner. So today we have these two vehicles. One is Safari and one is Fortuner. So both came for the PPF. You can see इसमें ये साइड अभी बाकी है, इसको PPF लगाया नहीं हमने, वो साइड कंप्लीट हो चुका है. You can see the gloss. And we have completed this vehicle with the PPF. So we have one more vehicle that is already done with the Kawaka PPF, and you can see this. So this is white Safari, and we have done Kawaka on PPF on this vehicle. So this vehicle came for the first wash. And we have one more vehicle that is Creta. और इसे हमने किया है सिरेमिक कोटिंग. तो एक्चुअली इट इज़ ओल्ड व्हीकल, ऑलमोस्ट 1 or 2 years ओल्ड व्हीकल. सो वी हैव डन सिरेमिक कोटिंग ऑन दिस व्हीकल. एक्चुअली दिस इज़ वेरी यूनिक कलर, बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. दिस इज़ नॉट वाइट, नॉट सिल्वर, वो अलग ही कलर. एक्चुअली इट्स स्काई ब्लू कलर.
Working is good, and I got time to time update regarding my vehicle, what is being done and what is being not done. Also, what was proposed is timely delivered as well. I have given my vehicle yesterday, and today I got the vehicle. And Chetan was also good. Thanks Ceramic Pro for all the help.
Uh.